Oklahoma has some really nice flowers that grow in the wild. This is around one of the trees. These just popped up this year. They weren't here last year, but check those out. Hey everybody, the front lawn is done. The side lawn is done. I got to go up by the garden, then I got to do the other end of the house and then the back side. Hey man, Okies Eden is hiring. Long hours, zero pay, but it will look good on your resume. Let's go check out a couple garden items before we continue. Subscriber garden is popping. And even my volunteer plants be popping. Okie, that dude knows taters. My okra is just killing it. I have cucumbers by the trellis, and soon they're gonna be dilling it. Stay tuned, man. You guys have no idea what is happening next at my Okies Eden. Okie be weeding. Okie be seeding. But watch hours and subs, Okie be needing. Check out behind me every day, everybody. It is a very warm day. We are trying to get this lawn mowed. Gonna work in the garden this afternoon, staying hydrated, trying to get her done. So we shall see you guys as soon as I get this lawn mowed. I was born a russet potato guy. I'll probably die a russet potato guy. But honestly, these Pontiac Red and those Kennebec Golds, I'll tell you what, next year I am really considering taking this row of these all the way down 60 feet that way, 70 feet that way, and to see what kind of yield I could get, because I am impressed with the plants. So we will see. Let's see if is Okie in his latter stages of life, with one foot in the grave and one on a banana peel, able to pivot to a different type of potato after 60 years of eating russets. Can he change? Is Okie capable of change? You're going to have to watch and find out. Oklahoma thunderstorms are an amazing thing. You can plant a perfectly straight row before they germinate. And then when they finally pop through the ground after one thunderstorm, there is not one row that you could call an actual row of green beans. They just get all wonky and janky, so. But they will taste just as good as if they were in a perfect row. Well, everybody, it has been a day. The lawn is push mowed, the entire thing. I've been up since 5 a.m. It is now going on 4 p.m. Mowed, weeded, planted, edited, and did a live stream. It's time for this old man to go find his hydration station, get something to drink, and then prepare dinner for his wife, who is the one that brings home the bacon. And so she deserves a warm meal when she gets home. So that's where we're going to end this. Thank you for being here and spending the day with me.